The Numark Mixtrack Platinum FX is a 4-deck Serato DJ controller designed for aspiring DJs. It packs a lot of features, including large jog wheels with displays and dedicated FX paddles. However, its bundled Serato DJ Lite software might feel limiting for advanced users. Check the link in the description for the best price. Let's see how this controller performs in real DJ scenarios. Its intuitive layout and comprehensive features are excellent for new DJs just starting their journey, making practice sessions rewarding. The generously sized jog wheels provide a solid platform for scratch practice, allowing for decent precision, though it's not A. The ability to easily manage 4 decks allows for more complex and dynamic mixes, significantly expanding your creative options. While versatile, it might lack some of the advanced connectivity and robust build quality often found in dedicated club-grade equipment. This controller excels in features for its class, especially with the jog displays and paddle effects. Now, let's break down the value proposition. You get a remarkable set of features for its price point, including detailed jog wheel displays and versatile FX paddles. Numark has a long-standing reputation in the DJ equipment market, offering reliable gear that many trust. Compared to other controllers in its category, this unit provides superior visual feedback and control, adding significant perceived value. This controller frequently sees competitive pricing and discounts, making it an even more attractive option when on sale. The Mixtrack Platinum FX stands out for being incredibly feature-rich in its class, offering more visual. Every product has its potential downsides, so let's examine the main buyer risks. The plastic construction is standard for controllers in this price range, feeling durable enough for regular home use. Users generally report stable and consistent performance, indicating good reliability for its intended purpose. Numark offers a standard manufacturer's warranty, providing a good level of support and peace of mind for buyers. While functional, the included Serato DJ Lite software has limitations, meaning advanced features require an upgrade. This unit maintains a good safety score, thanks to a reliable brand. The Numark Mixtrack Platinum FX is a top contender for new DJs, especially those who prioritize large, informative jog wheels and integrated effects. It offers exceptional value for aspiring Serato users. However, if you need standalone functionality or an ultra-compact setup for travel, you might want to consider other options.